Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you a great affordable beachfront hotel in Koh Samui and take you on a little beach walk. Sit back, relax, and enjoy these views. Alrighty, that's going to be my token saying now. So we're staying at the Baan Samui Resort on Koh Samui on Choang Beach. Hotel prices obviously do fluctuate, so I just picked a random day in March on Expedia and it's approximately 105 USD or 140 Canadian a night. I'm gonna let Patrick back in. There's big bed. Mini fridge is in here. Ooh, very nice. Oh, Jesus, those chairs are heavy. We're staying right on the beach. Oh, you can kind of see the ocean. But again, like I said, it's a little gray day. That's okay. What's the name of this place again?
Baan Samui.
Baan Samui. I got it wrong. Baan Choang Samui. Very nice room. Nice and big. Great. The grounds here are very well kept and the pool is nice and clean. It does seem like it is an older hotel, but it is really well maintained. The staff here are also really friendly. So you can add breakfast to your stay if you want. I think they said it was 350 baht. We've opted for not. We usually have coffee and just some fruit in the morning, so it didn't seem worth it for us. So they have breakfast, I believe, out here, and lunch, and then dinner at the front. But yeah, it's really nice and quiet. Not a lot of people. Just there's towels you can just go grab. Patrick's already tanning over there. We went and did laundry yesterday. We did the speedy service, so it did cost more because everything we have is filthy. We usually like to do laundry like self-service, so you just wait around like an hour and a half, but the only ones that offer that weren't really close to our hotel. Also, where this hotel is located, I think it has the nicest beachfront. Like, the water's just perfect. You'll see shortly what I mean when comparing to other properties along the beach. We were debating between this place and one just a little bit north of us, and we're really happy with our decision to stay here. It's a little too wavy for me right now. Just kidding. It is wavier here than where our hotel is. So nice. So where we are walking right now, I marked an X on the map so you can kind of see where the water does start to change. It is still beautiful, but because there is a breaker out in the water, I think it has somewhat affected the aesthetics. It's still beautiful, like don't get me wrong, but it is a little bit different like compared to where our hotel is. You want to party? This is the hotel for you.
You want to wake up and go to sleep to this.
Look at Khao Road. Sort of. I've been there a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? It's a good song. That was a good one. I like the mix. And so the Choang Garden Beach Resort is right next to this place, so something to consider if you want that garden escape. Yeah, and then our hotel's right down there. It's just perfect. Perfect. Yeah, there's one guy who sung spring rolls during the day. They're and donuts, spring rolls and donuts. And the spring rolls, some of the best I've ever had. Really good. And this is the bar we like to come to. They're cheap. Oh, well, it's after 4 o'clock. I don't know what the price is.
$81.20.
Oh, I thought that's only happy hour.
Signs up.
So this bar here, it's also like a bungalow hotel kind of thing, but they are like the only like bar that you can like stroll into that isn't mega expensive. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and coming next week, get ready for Bangkok, baby. See you guys in the next one.